your day with Simona Lisa.
Hey guys, so we just went to the library. I picked up Her Soul to Take by Harley LaRue. I'm really excited to start that series. I heard online that if you like Buffy the Vampire Slayer specifically, actually I'm not going to mention the couple in case you guys haven't seen the show, but if you like this specific duo from the show, then you would like the series, so I picked it up. And I also picked season 4 of Angel. It's the only one I don't have on DVD. Yeah, I got an iced chai latte, donut. Now I'm walking back home and I'm probably gonna watch Buffy with my sister, and that's the update. And here's the outfit. I used a scarf as like a bolero because scarves are very versatile. It's hot, so I have my fan out too. Hello guys, so I was editing for a long time. I don't know, I feel like I'm not efficient when I'm like editing and posting. Wait, this cat just like popped up in the frame and it's like, hey bestie. He's just like right there. She's so sassy and beautiful. She's whatever she wants to be. But anyway, yeah, it takes me forever to like edit and post and stuff. But the book I picked up from the library, I'm now getting to reading it. I'm like on page 4. Like I've literally barely begun. Still don't know what's going on. Like I just started. But yeah, that fucking heavy harsh light, I'm turning it off. Now that I'm filming and looking up, I'm like, oh goodness, no, let me get my orange light on. I just paused it for copyright, but I have the Buffy the Vampire Slayer soundtrack playing in the background because I am just obsessed with Buffy, and Buffy takes up my entire, like, all my thoughts. It's like everything to me right now. Okay, so with the lighting, so what the hell is this? First step to reading, you need the right lighting. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me clean my camera. Don't let it fool you, don't let it destroy you, this isn't the ending. I was listening to the new Single Sirens album. Oh my god, literally the moment the album came out, my life, it shifted. Everything shifted for me. It literally, oh my god, even like from the first 3 songs that released before the entire album released, like every release I was like, this is how I feel. This is like literally everything that's going on in my head. Like it feels like everything's connecting. And then the weird symbolism that also happens in like one of the songs was a symbol popping up in my life, and I was like, and then it kind of came full circle where I realized. But anyway, and then we also need like a little candle, and we're good to go. A little candle light, a little orange light, a good soundtrack, a good book, and it's lit. I'm gonna set up the pillows a little differently. We like having them vertical, like so. Oh, I didn't show you guys a little Dollar Tree haul. I needed to get a few journals. I've said this in another video, I would thrift them, but thrift stores price stuff higher than retail because they're greedy assholes. Anyway, before you hit the ground, bury yourself deep down in the river. Yeah, this right here is the life. This is the life. Guys, I did not eat that much today. I don't know what this vlog is gonna look like. A conclusion of what I did, like, I didn't even show you guys. I've been forgetting to film. I didn't show you guys the fries I made. I basically made, like, truffle fries with aioli. It's, like, I love ordering it off the menus, you know, appetizer, cheaper than a full meal, whatever. But I've been making that, and it's been very tasty. I didn't even show you guys what that looks like, but I basically ate some food. I went to the dollar store, went to the library. I ate some food again. I had at some point chai and the donut, which you guys saw, and I edited, and I read. Oh, I was reading Vampire Diaries this morning. I didn't show you guys that. Oh my god, I'm so bad at vlogging. Okay, so yeah, in the morning, I was reading the Vampire Diaries. This is a bookmark I made. I need to make a Buffy one too, but yeah. I basically started my day off with reading. Like, I woke up, I like opened one eye, and then I was like, I had a terrible dream. And then I woke up and I actually just remembered I cried. Like, I was not vibing. You know when you have a terrible dream and you just wake up in a terrible mood? Like, that's what happened. It was so bad. I was like, ew, that's disgusting. So then I read a book, immediately left to my reality, so I don't have to cope. Or so I can cope, whichever one makes more sense. I don't know. And then I got up, and then I went to the store, and then I went to the library, and on the way to the library we got chai and we got a donut, and then I came back, and then I did a little bit of editing. I ate some pizza. I didn't show you guys that. And then I started making my fries, my aioli sauce I had made like 2 days ago, so we had that ready. I ate that. I edited more, and then I started reading. For editing, I edited a YouTube video, a thumbnail, and I posted on TikTok and Instagram. And that was my day. I am so bad at filming. Oh my god, I cannot believe it. I'm literally gonna like film a clip of my Vampire Diaries book to include it so it's chronologically more sensical and conclusive. Perhaps. This is what I got from the dollar store. So I got this little mini notebook to have as like a reading journal, like a little mini one that I could throw in my bag, because I think I'd rather do this than have like post-its or tabs. This is so that my family can have a family recipe book. Finally, I wanted a hardcover so I could like edit the cover. I could put like my own fabric and like design it, but they had really terrible options. So I don't know, like, I honestly don't love this design. I also don't love this design. I needed a new sketchbook because mine is, like, she's pretty much full. And I also want a small one because I, like, want to carry, but they didn't have a small one except for this one cubicle one. It was, like, a perfect square, and it was really uncomfortable to look at. Like, why was it a square? And then I got cotton pads, and that's the dollar store haul for this little notebook. This like creasing, oh my god, I feel like it's gonna get damaged and terrible over time. It does include a little pen here though, which is cool, and it's totally gonna stop working probably the moment I write. It won't even work. I don't know, honestly their journals have gotten even worse quality. Like I can feel it over time. It's gone so much worse, and it's really sad to see.